Hello, I'm Stephanie Quine with the Weekly Law Report. Here are our top stories for this week. Australian Lawyers for Human Rights will host a dinner in October to oppose the death penalty. The event will be held in Red Hill, Queensland, in support of the 11th World Day against the death penalty. Guest speakers include the parents of Scott Rush, a member of the Bali Nine, whose death sentence was reduced to life imprisonment on appeal to the Indonesian Supreme Court. A Victorian lawyer has been fined $40,000 and reprimanded after he was found to have drawn up false invoices. Patrick Dwyer was asked to account for payments totalling $15,000 in his representation of his client charged with murder. Dwyer's long association with legal aid, exceptional workloads and good character references helped him keep his practicing certificate. The Australian Lawyers Alliance has condemned the Senate's passing of new laws which extend intervention powers in the Northern Territory by 10 years. The ALA issued a statement of incompatibility on the Stronger Futures legislation after it was passed through Parliament on the final day before its winter break. Immediate past president of the ALA, Greg Barnes.
The Stronger Futures legislation represents a frontal assault on the rule of law in the sense that it subjects Indigenous people in the Northern Territory to a much greater regulation of their lives than is tolerated by anyone else in Australia.
The ALA claims the government ignored UN guidance on special measures contained in the legislation and that those measures will not hold up in court. Australian mergers and acquisitions activity has plunged more than 50% according to a recent M&A review. Thomson Reuters found first half activity this year totaled around US $49 billion, down from around US $98 billion in the first half of 2011. Freehills topped Reuters' H1 roundup with both the highest value and number of announced deals. King & Wood Mallesons scored the highest value of completed deals. I'm Stephanie Quine, thanks for watching. I'll be back next Friday with more top stories in Australian law and business.